This is CargoClear's Client Freight Portal, a secure workspace for Australian importers who need freight updates without chasing emails. After login, the client lands on a dashboard showing the current program, total shipments, freight in transit, delivered jobs, and pending work. The shipments list brings air freight and sea freight into the same view. Clients can search by job, route, or reference, then filter by status to find what matters. Tracking is where the portal becomes useful day to day. A sea freight job can show the vessel, route, ETA, and milestone timeline. An air freight job can show airway bill details, flight movement, clearance status, and the next delivery step. The client does not need to read long reference numbers. They can see the shipment, understand where it is, and know what happens next. For an arrived sea freight job, the release workflow is visible as well. Line release, customs, terminal status, and hold release are all shown clearly, so the client knows when cargo is ready for pickup. Documents sit beside the shipment workflow. Clients can upload and download invoices, packing lists, bills of lading, delivery orders, and arrival notices, then link them to the relevant job. Quotes are also handled through the portal. The client can start a freight quote, enter mode, route and cargo details, and give the operations team enough information to respond quickly. When they are ready to proceed, the booking request turns that quote intent into a structured shipment request with cargo details, timing, service preferences, and supporting documents. The portal also supports invoices and payments. Clients can see what is outstanding, what has been paid, due dates, receipts, and payment actions without leaving the freight workspace. The AI assistant gives clients a quick way to ask practical questions, like where a shipment is, whether documents are ready, or which jobs are currently in transit. And the client does not have to remember to log in for every update. Important changes can also trigger email notifications for ETA changes, document uploads, invoice readiness, and cargo release events. CargoClear gives Australian importers a clearer freight forwarding experience. Air and sea tracking, release status, documents, quotes, bookings, invoices, payments, AI support, and email alerts working together.